This is yard work your players will beg to do. We call it clean your backyard. This game is all about kicking and teamwork, and it's also pretty great for blowing off steam. Use 4 cones to mark a large space, then use 4 more cones to make a 5-yard wide moat that splits your space into 2 backyards. Divide your players into 2 teams, 1 team in each backyard, and give everyone a ball. Here's how it looks. Players work together to clear their backyard by kicking all of the balls over the moat and into their opponent's backyard, while their opponents do the exact same thing.
Good. Get them on their toes. Get them on their toes. Keep moving.
Yes, balls will fly everywhere, with players chasing them down all over the place. The team with the fewest balls in their backyard when you call time wins the round.
We won the first round, right?
There's really only one rule: no entering the moat. If a ball goes in, only the coach can put it back in play.
Let's go. Get those balls over. Let's get those balls over. Good. Control, control.
The game's simplicity is why it works. Players get a chance to smack the ball as hard and as far as they can, also known as fun. Coaches, if you want to, you can use this time to develop those chipping skills to lob the ball high over the moat. Encourage players to strike the ball so it has backspin, using the laces or inside of the foot. Remember, keep out of the moat, watch for incoming balls, and swing away. This is much more fun than mowing the lawn.